Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $1,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A Forex broker's no deposit welcome bonus is a promotional offer extended to new traders who join a Forex trading platform. Unlike traditional bonuses, this type of incentive doesn't require the trader to make an initial deposit into their trading account. However, instead, upon signing up, the trader receives a bonus amount credited directly to their account, allowing them to start trading immediately without risking their own funds. Traders who are searching for some of the best $1,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $1,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Admirals. Admirals is a prominent Forex broker, and when it comes to navigating the world of online trading, they are your go-to source of expertise. Regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, Admirals ensures a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its clients. With a wide array of financial instruments, traders can rely on Admirals for access to global markets and comprehensive trading tools. Their commitment to education and customer support makes Admirals an ideal choice for both novice and experienced traders looking to capitalize on the foreign exchange market. Admirals offers a diverse range of market instruments to empower traders and investors. From Forex currency pairs and commodities, such as gold and oil, to a wide selection of stocks and indices, Admirals provides access to a comprehensive array of financial instruments, ensuring a secure and trusted trading environment. Their welcome bonus is a fantastic opportunity for new traders to kickstart their trading journey with added financial support. Upon joining the Admirals community, new users can benefit from an exclusive welcome bonus designed to enhance their trading experience, and this bonus serves as an additional capital injection, providing traders with extra funds to explore the financial markets and execute trades. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Admirals offers a diverse range of trading accounts, catered to the unique needs of traders at every level of experience. These accounts include the Trade 0 and Trade MetaTrader accounts. They also provide demo and Islamic account options. Each of these accounts are thoughtfully designed to provide flexibility, choice, and the tools necessary to meet individual trading objectives. Admirals offers a rich and diverse collection of educational resources to empower traders at all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first steps in the world of trading, or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, Admirals has got you covered. For beginners, the platform provides comprehensive guides, articles, and video tutorials to build a solid foundation. For those with more experience, Admirals offers advanced educational materials, technical analysis webinars, and in-depth market insights. These resources help seasoned traders refine their skills and stay updated on the latest market trends and strategies. At number 4 on our list is SuperForex. SuperForex is a dynamic and innovative online Forex broker dedicated to providing a cutting-edge trading experience for its global clientele. SuperForex's commitment to offering a secure and regulated platform ensures that traders can navigate the Forex market with confidence. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, SuperForex's user-friendly interface, educational resources, and trading tools make it an ideal destination for those seeking to capitalize on international currency markets. SuperForex offers a diverse array of market instruments to cater to the trading preferences of its clients. Traders can access a variety of financial assets through their platform, including major and exotic currency pairs, commodities such as gold and oil, global indices, and cryptocurrencies. This extensive selection of trading instruments provides traders with the flexibility to diversify their portfolios and explore various trading strategies. SuperForex extends a warm welcome to new traders with its enticing welcome bonus offer. Upon registering with SuperForex, traders are greeted with an exclusive welcome bonus that serves as an extra boost to their initial deposit. This bonus provides traders with additional trading capital, enhancing their ability to explore the markets and place trades, and potentially increase their profits. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as the proprietary SuperForex mobile application. The accounts they offer are categorized into straight-through processing and electronic communication accounts. Their STP accounts include the standard, swap-free, no-spread, micro-cent, Profi STP, as well as crypto accounts. Their electronic communication network accounts include the standard ECN account, standard mini, swap-free ECN, swap-free mini, and the ECN crypto account. SuperForex's ECN accounts provide traders with a direct connection to a network of liquidity providers, resulting in fast and reliable order execution. These account types are ideal for traders who require top-tier market access, transparency, and competitive pricing. SuperForex offers a valuable array of educational resources to empower traders of all levels with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the dynamic world of Forex trading. The broker provides a variety of educational materials, including informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars, covering topics ranging from the basics of Forex trading to advanced trading strategies and analysis techniques. This ensures that both beginners and experienced traders can access relevant content to enhance their trading skills. Furthermore, SuperForex's educational resources are readily available on their website, making it convenient for traders to access the information they need to make informed trading decisions and improve their overall trading proficiency. Coming in at number 3, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web Traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R-Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FSCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers bonus offerings, which include generous deposit bonuses, cashback rewards, and loyalty programs. New traders can kickstart their trading journey with substantial welcome bonuses, allowing them to trade with more capital and increase their potential profits. Additionally, XM offers cashback rewards, ensuring that traders receive a portion of their trading costs back, regardless of the outcome of their trades. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a Shares account, Demo accounts, and Swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best $1,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers, we have InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. InstaForex offers a variety of bonus offerings to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These bonuses are designed to provide traders with extra value and opportunities to maximize their trading potential. These bonuses include welcome bonuses, no deposit bonuses, a 55% bonus, a club bonus, and more. Traders who are interested in enhancing their trading journey can explore these bonuses to potentially increase their trading capital and profitability. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Instatick Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides two main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are two cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. And those are some of the top 5 best $1,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.